Welcome to AirTouch Home. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up AirTouch Secure from start to finish. We'll begin by unboxing the starter kit, setting up the Secure Hub, adding sensors and accessories, and configuring security modes so your home is protected. Before you begin, make sure your AirTouch console is powered on and connected to the internet. Have your AirTouch Secure starter kit ready, along with access to your home router. Let's get started. Begin by unboxing the AirTouch Secure starter kit. Inside the box, you'll find one smart station, which is the Secure Hub, 2 motion sensors, 2 door and window sensors, 2 key fobs, and 1 siren. Set the sensors, key fobs, and siren aside for now. We'll start by setting up the Smart Station, your centralized hub for the secure environment. As mentioned, the Smart Station is the central point of the AirTouch Secure system. This device uses power over Ethernet, meaning that a single cable will provide comms and power if your modem supports it. If your modem does not support it, there is also a separate power supply provided with the Smart Station. A wired Ethernet connection ensures reliable communication. Once powered on, the indicator light will pulse to show the hub is ready. If you're mounting the Smart Station, use the supplied mounting hardware and tools shown on screen. Choose a location close to your router and power source. Once you are done with the physical setup, return to your AirTouch Home dashboard on your console or mobile device. The process is the same on both. Select the settings icon in the top right, then choose Works With. From the list of available integrations, select AirTouch Secure and tap Get Started. AirTouch Home will search your network and automatically detect the Smart Station. Once found, the hub is added and you'll be taken to the Add Devices screen. You can now begin adding secure devices. Each device follows the same repeatable setup process. Start by selecting the device type you want to add, such as a door or window sensor, motion sensor, siren, or key fob. Next, let's prepare the devices for pairing. Follow the on-screen instructions to place the device into pairing mode. Once you're selected, continue to the next step. Give the device a clear name, so it's easy to identify later. Assign the device to a room. Rooms help organize devices and determine where alerts and device status appear in AirTouch Home. Once testing is successful, and if needed, mount the device in its final position using the supplied accessories and tools. Correct placement helps ensure reliable performance. Select Add Another Device and repeat this process for each additional accessory. This same flow applies to all secure devices. When all devices have been added, select Confirm to continue. AirTouch Secure uses 3 modes: Disarm, Home, and Arm. Arm mode is designed for when you're away from home and provides full security. Home mode is for when you're at home and want partial security. Disarm turns off active security responses. When configuring Arm mode, select how each sensor behaves. You can choose whether a sensor sends notifications, triggers the siren, or does both. Next, configure siren settings. Here, you can set how long the siren sounds and adjust the volume. You'll then be prompted to set a PIN code. The PIN is required when arming or disarming the system from the console. You can also choose to skip this step. Home mode setup follows. Here you select which sensors will send notification while the siren remains inactive. Once setup is complete, secure modes are saved and activated. From the dashboard, you can switch between Disarm, Home, and Arm at any time. When arming the system, a short exit countdown gives you time to leave the house safely. You can change your PIN code, edit secure modes, or adjust sensor behavior through secure settings whenever needed. Secure devices also appear in the navigation menu and within assigned rooms, allowing quick access to device status and controls. If required, you can reset or remove AirTouch Secure from the Works With menu. Removing the Smart Station will remove all connected secure devices from AirTouch Home. And that's it! You now know how to unbox the AirTouch Secure Starter Kit, set up the hub, add devices, configure security modes, and use AirTouch Secure day to day. For further help, visit help.airtouch.net.au.